Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is IT Master. As you can see from the first view, we are trying to show you the all available different kind of stripes for the Honor Watch Magic. I got the right side. They are new, all just arrived, and these ones I had from my other watch, but it's still 22 millimeters and can be used with the Honor Magic watch. Let's try to remove and install the different kind of other watch stripes and see how it will look like. Let's start from the black one. It's a nice rubber, silicone rubber, and very soft. Not bad. It's something like $2. Got it from the AliExpress. Not the one that is coming with the black watch, but actually it is not bad. And let's try it. As you can see, they have the same type of removable stripes, and you can use this to join it. Let's make with the right hand, will be easier. This is it. You hear the click. It means that it's in the place. Let's do the other one. It's very easy. Here we go. Here you can see the how the silver watch looks like with the black stripe. I think this is the black is the color that can be used with the different kind of the watches, but it's look nice with the silver Honor Magic watch. I can put it on my hand so you can see how it's look on the hand as well. Here we go. Okay. So here it is how it looks like on the wrist. It's not that good, and yeah, it's not bad actually. It's good for the summertime. Yeah, and here is the festival watch face that just arrived with the update, and each time you change your you switch your wrist, you will get the new festival Chinese Lunar New Year photo. This is how the black looks like. Let's move on and try the others as well. As you can see this view as well. So to be more clear and understand how it will be. So let's remove it. The removing part is very easy. You just push this and hop, you get it the same. Let's try this one. This is the actually made the nylon, and it's some kind of blue with the gray color, and this part is metal, and it's also will be good to have this as a metal part will last longer. Okay, this is it, and then let's try the other one. Yoo-hoo. This is how it looks like. You can see. I'm not sure if it's that much good, but still not bad. It depends on the person and how you like the, but I choose the colors that will be good for silver watch. This is the from other side. This is also the something free, $50 and from AliExpress as well. We can try on the first. I will wear the watch now. Sorry for interruption. Okay, so here it's how look on the wrist. Yeah, again it's not bad, quality is good and the colors are matching. In my opinion, it's not that bad. Let's move on. And we can try one more. I think we can try this one. This one I had before, and I bought this for my Motorola 360 generation 2, and it's very high quality. It's from US and it's cost $35 by that time, and it's very nice. It's used for 2 years, but as you can see, it's look like new. Okay, let's move on to try this one as well, and then you can have a picture which type of watch stripe you will get for your Honor Magic. Okay, there we go. It's very easy actually. I'm doing little harder because of the camera, but this is it, and how it looks like on the watch actually. That's it, guys. You can choose the different kind, and these ones are the navy blue color. Again, good. This is the Samsung Galaxy watch stripes, but it also can be used with the Honor Magic. And you have the gray color of this, the black one that we tried, and this nylon. This is it, what I wanted to share with you guys. Stay well, stay cool. Help me subscribe to have the 1000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. And thanks for watching, thanks for your time. Hit like, share button. Stay well, stay cool. See you in the next video. Bye bye.